Hello everyone, it's Penny here. Today let me show you how you can partition your hard drive in Windows 11. So first thing is we are going to go to Start and we are going to search for Management, which is here, Computer Management. So we click on it. So here you will see a couple of things that you can do, but we shall click on Disk Management. So from here we have this. So we are going to right click and click on Shrink Volume, and then we shall give it the number of space we want to shrink. So let's say 500, and then click on Shrink. Then we have Unallocated, so we right click on it and then create a new simple volume. Then we click on Next. So we change the letter here. It can be D, E, or whatsoever you want, so we shall call it D. Then click on Next, and then you can name it. You can rename it here as New Volume or whatever you want, and then click on Next and then Finish. So you will see a notification here that New Volume D has been created. So when we come here to our File Manager, you can see now we have another partition here. So thank you so much for watching. This is basically how you can partition your hard drive in Windows 11. See you in the next video.